Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to review the TCPL Packaging Limited stock. Okay, all the investors focusing on future multi-bagger stocks. I'm telling you, once upon a time this stock was operated with very lower level, but nowadays it is operating with very good returns, and also the stock is performing very well based on the business structure. Okay, let's get into the video. TCPL Packaging Limited is one of the India's largest manufacturer of folded cartoons and one of the second largest converters of paper board in the country. TCPL manufactures folding cartons, printed blanks, outers, litho lamination, plastic cartoons, blister packs, and self-ready packagings. And also, TCPL Packaging Limited is also an innovative player in the flexible packaging industry, and TCPL has installed the best equipment in the world in order to supply the cork tipping paper and laminates, sleeves, and wrap around the labels. These are the products of TCPL Packing Limited. Okay, let's come into the company's market capitalization and fundamental things. This company has around 460 crores of market capital, and this company can able to generate around 73.57 percentage of dividend and 1.45 percentage of dividend yield, and this stock has around 10 rupees of face value. This stock it has 0.54 beta value, and industry PE is so attractive 14.28, and earnings per share is around 42.92, and PE ratio is 11.8. Then price to book value is around 1.53, and this stock has a very good book value. It is around 330.46, and the stock can able to deliver around 49.18 percentage. These are the basic fundamental, and this stock is recently we are going to see the business overview and how the stock is performing. At the financial year 2021, this stock earnings is around 900 crores. So this stock generated around 85 percentage of return from the manufacturing facilities of the flexible, and 15 percentage of on its other products. This is one of the India's largest folding carton manufacturer and converter of paperboard, and innovative player in the flexible packaging industry, and close to demand pan India to footprint to a fast track growth, and caters to the customers goods and foods, beverage, tobacco, liquor, agrochemicals, and pharma, and various other industries. Aggregated with international certification of quality and implemented integrated manufacturing system of all round of quality assurance. So this stock diversified the customers based. So folding cartons customers they have around 100 plus and 50 plus of customers in flexible packaging customers. So in long term relationship with several customers spanning around 31 years of industrial experience for this stock. So 100 plus customers ranging across the large and domestic global corporates, and deliver innovative and sustainable packing solution to the customers across the various industries verticals such as FMCG, food, beverages, pharmaceutical, and liquor and tobacco. Partners with customers to develop reliable high quality products. So this business view will be a very good for the investors. Okay, TCPL is one of the leading producers of sustainable packing and solution for the customers across the industries. Okay, as I told you earlier, this company it has around 31 years of experience providing array of packing solution, and this company the last financial year of 2021 it generated around 906 crores of net income, and this company can generate the cash profit is around 99 crore, and last 15 years of CAGR value is around 17.7 percentage increased, and this company has around 7 manufacturing units, and this company is operates with 1900 employees, around 1900 employees. These are the company products which is generated and produced for the packing materials by TCPL Limited. So major competitors and major market players also included into this business. So this is one of the best shine for this stock. So TCPL Limited has a very good manufacturing excellence as per this process. They are using the excellent gravage process, offset process, quality control process, and flexible packaging, focusing on achieving operational excellence by adopting latest technology and practices, established best in class equipment across the facilities, and state of the art laboratories at the plants to ensure the high quality of their product. An ink management system installed as per international standard. This is very good customer requirement fulfilling point, and leveraging the latest digital technology to improve the process control and minimizing the errors. So these are the major manufacturing facilities for this TCPL. And as I told you earlier, the major brands and market players are tied up with this business. And as of this picture, it shows how the business is diversified and how the supply and demand is fulfilled by TCPL. So you can see the Hindustan Unilever, Dabur, Nivea, Vini, Patanjali, Johnson & Johnson, Raymond, Marico, Godrej, ITC. So those stocks are covered in FMCG section, and agrochemical section wise Chipla, Bosch, Johnson & Johnson, and Yerix. These are the companies are covered by the agricultural and pharma section. And the liquor side, you can see Diageo, ABD, OHN, and these are the major players are available with liquor. And tobacco business, they are supplying the material for ITC and Bara and other products like India Gate. These are the brands they are supplying for the liquor business. And food and beverage section wise, they are supplying the material for Hindustan Unilever, Nestle, Dabur, Britannia, Marico, about this kind of Amul. These are the major food beverage business. So they are supplying the material all over for the manufacturing and consumer goods products in pan India presence. You can see how they are operating in India. They have around 7 manufacturing units in India, and headquarters available in Mumbai, and marketing office is key metro cities. So this is the best shine to get all the opportunities. Let me go to the shareholding pattern. So in the year of 2020 and 2020 data, as per the data, we can see the 55% of promoter holding and 0% of promoter pledge. This is the very good shine. So in March 2020 they had around 75% of pledge, but in in September 2020 they released everything. So this is the very good improvement. And FII had around 0.58% of stocks, and DI had around 16.74% of stock, and others had 26.95%. So this stock has a very good shareholding and diversified pattern for that investors. So you can focusing on it, the shareholding pattern also before investment. Let me go to check that financial snapshots. So financial wise, this stock is improved very good financial trend, and you can see the net worth is around, for the last 5 years you can take it as a data from 17 to 21. So 17 it has operated around 178 crores but in 2021 it is around double that amount, around 301 crore. And the stock has very good book value improvement. In 2017 the stock was around 205 book value, but now it is around 331, and net debt is gradually reduced from 340 to 325 last in 1 year. And net working capital is also little differed, but it's very good improvement only for that financial snapshots. Okay, let me check the business opportunity of the TCPL Limited. So TCPL Limited is focusing on folding cartons and flexible packaging industry. So India is one of the fastest growing consumers for packing solution in the world due to growing the domestic consumption of trend. So this is one of the best opportunity, and paper cardboard industry is expected to grow at a healthy rate led by significant demand from the customers, food and beverage, liquor, agrochemicals, pharma, retail, among other industries. So this is the second opportunity. And third one, reduction in a single-use plastic to provide non-eatable impetus to the paperboard based industries. So this will be focused by government and environmental section. So they will be producing the product based on the customer's demand and the government rules. So this is the third point. And shift towards the flexible packaging owning to its multiple folding energy and environmental benefits. So this is the fourth one. And fifth one is some of the key trends included use the biodegradable packing and invention of the smart packing and next generation technology. So these five highlights points are TCPL. It has by its own manufacturing excellence, their technological development, their quality control,